Rowan County, Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service and State College has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 6 a.m. Friday to 6 a.m. Saturday. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Winds, northwest 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Timing, winds will increase late tonight and will gust to 60 miles per hour Friday into Friday night. Impacts, strong to damaging winds may blow down limbs, trees, and